how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are opening your YouTube app and trying to access your subscription tab, and at that time you are facing this type of irritating error. Your subscription have not uploaded any videos yet. As you can see guys in my screen, same problem, error issue I am facing in my phone. So let's see how to fix this problem. So when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to close your YouTube app, okay, like this. After closing, close from the recent menu as well as like this, okay, and now open the app. Now let's see it will fix your problem or not. Still, in case you're facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update the app. To update the app, open the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, open the App Store, okay. So and here you need to simply search YouTube, okay, and if the app update is available, simply go ahead, update the app. After updating, now let's see it will fix your problem or not. As you can see guys in my screen, the subscription tab is working fine now. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to clear the YouTube caches. So to clear the caches, tap and hold on the app and open the app info like this, okay. Go to storage, clear the caches like this, go back and forcefully stop your YouTube app like this, and close this and restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, open the YouTube app, go to YouTube settings, here go to switch account option. So from here you need to add and remove your account, okay. After doing this method guys, it will definitely helps you to fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple method solution to fix this irritating problem. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.